In this video, we are going to launch a Wazuh server with an agent in 7 minutes. You heard me right? In 7 minutes. I want you to have two servers of Ubuntu, maybe Ubuntu 22.04, one Ubuntu server for Wazuh server, Wazuh Manager, another Ubuntu server for Wazuh agent. Okay, you can use VirtualBox, VMware, Proxmox, anything. Okay, so if you have that ready, so we can get started. All right, so let's set up the Wazuh server first, and then we will add the agents. So for this, I recommend you to visit Wazuh official website, wazuh.com, and then go to documentation. We'll follow a very simple process. Then click on Quick Start. Then you will see a page which give you an instruction to kickstart or launch your Wazuh server with just a single command. Okay, so it's gonna be very quick. Copy this command. This is a curl command which will download the Wazuh server and perform the installation as well. Click on copy and then make sure you have your Ubuntu server. I have two Ubuntu server at this moment of version 22.04. You can verify that here, 22.04. And I have another Ubuntu server which will be used as an agent. Okay, and this will be used for this server, Wazuh server, right? Or Wazuh Manager, and then I can enter the command and hit enter. It might take some time, so take a break. As you can see, the installation is done. There are majorly four components. Wazuh Indexer, which is responsible for storing and parsing the logs. Then we have Wazuh Server, where we have Wazuh Manager for all the services that Wazuh has. It's all there in the Wazuh Server. Then we have Wazuh Dashboard, which provides you a centralized dashboard for entire GUI basically. And of course, there are different configuration file and dependency as well. Perfect. Now the installation is complete. You can see this username and password. Let's run the ifconfig. This is the public IP address. Go to your browser, enter this IP address, hit enter. Um, yeah, this seems to be correct. It's not opening up. Let's verify. Let's see if we have firewall rule. Okay, this is the problem. We have to allow port 443. So UFW allow 443 TCP. Perfect. Let's also allow port 80 as well to be on the safer side. Perfect. Looks like it's done. I now when I hit enter, I get the advanced option because of course I don't have certificates. Click on yes, and this is taking me to the Wazuh dashboard. Now it's asking me for the username and password. You see this? This is the admin username, and this is the password, right? So let's come here, paste it, click login, and you can see awesome. Can you see this? The entire dashboard is ready. You can also verify here as well. This entire dashboard is also ready, and we are all good. Now let's work on adding a new agent. So this is the Wazuh dashboard, and in order to analyze all the data, first click on deploy a new agent. Okay, so we want to onboard a Linux machine, and this is the machine in here. So let's find out the IP address of this machine. This is the public IP address. Let's onboard this. So we have Debian 64, and this is the server IP address. Sorry, this is not the server IP address. Server IP address is actually this one. So you have to enter the server IP address, and we can remember the server IP address. And then we need to enter the agent name, right? So we'll say hex Ubuntu MUMB, and let's use a default group so we can arrange all the machine in a different group. Oh, it's 0. Okay, give me 1 second. We can arrange all the machine in a different group, maybe Windows, Linux, Mac OS, or it can be also based on different location. So I'll keep it default for now, and it will generate a script. okay, a custom script for me. So I'll copy this, paste it here, hit enter. This will be installed, and then I have to start the agent. Perfect. Come here, click on it. Perfect. The agent installation has been done. You can also validate that by doing systemctl status Wazuh agent. Okay, Wazuh agent. Perfect. The service is running at this moment. Now you can close this box. You can close this box, and you should see your agent being onboarded on the machine if everything goes well. Okay. If it's not working, you will have to check certain ports. See, still it's not been, you don't see the agent. Right? So it most likely because certain ports are not allowed. So you can see these are the port which should be allowed. So what I can do is I can come on the server, and in here I have to allow certain ports because my agent is trying to talk to the my server on a specific port. So I need to make sure I allow these important ports. So what I'll do is ufw allow, and then I can allow 1515 on TCP. Sorry, this is allow. I can also allow 1516, although 1516 is not needed, but yes, you can still allow. And another one is 1514 as well. Now let's come here and refresh the page. Let's see. Awesome. Can you see that? Now I do see the agent is trying to connect to my Wazuh server. Okay, and you can see the status of the agent here, and this is the name of the agent, IP address, the operating system, and the status. When you click on it, you get the entire detail about the agent. You get the vulnerability information, compliance, MITRE attack, and all the important parameters. All right, so I hope this was useful. We'll catch you in the next video.